Today I'm making a fruit cocktail cobbler. First thing I got to do is melt the butter. In my case, this is ghee. I call it butter, but it's ghee. And I need about half of this. Since I'm making a single person size, I'm only doing half a recipe. Put this in the oven and let it start melting, getting the pan hot. It's a 350-degree oven, and alright, I need half a cup of self-rising flour. Since it's a half recipe, if you're making a regular size, you're going to need a full cup. So everything that I put in here, you're going to need to double to make for a family or a larger size. Okay. I also need a half a cup of sugar. And yes, I am a diabetic, but I don't do anything artificial. I use regular ingredients. And I need half a cup of milk. This is powdered milk. I made it up earlier. I used to make some cornbread with. I need half a cup of milk. Now, mix it all up. It's going to be a real thin batter. It's supposed to be. And it doesn't have to be real smooth, just so it's mixed. If there's some lumps in it, that's okay. They'll bake out whenever it's done. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla. And if you didn't know, the top of vanilla is about a teaspoon. Actually, I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of vanilla because it's a half a recipe. Okay, and I need a little bit of cinnamon. You don't have to use cinnamon if you don't like cinnamon, but I happen to like it in mine. And I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon, just a little bit. And I'm going to mix that together. Yep, looks about right. Alrighty. Now I got to open. Forgot to wash off the top. I never open a can without washing off the top. I don't know what critters may have crawled around on top of it at the factory or at the grocery or in the trucks. You just don't know. So I'm waiting on the ghee to melt now. So hang on just a minute. Alrighty, the ghee is melted. I'm going to pour this mixture right in the pan, in all that butter or ghee. And I forgot to mention that if you wanted to, you can use like cocoa butter, coconut oil. No, not cocoa butter. That's for something else. I'm talking about the kind of coconut oil you cook with. Alright, see? All that butter swimming around there. Now, I want to put the fruit kind of spread out. And the way they put it in the can is not mixed, so you want to spread it out a little bit. So you have a little bit of fruit all over. These days, even though they say mixed fruit, it's not really much mix. There's peaches and pears and grapes. Now it goes into the oven where it will cook for about an hour. If you can see that or not, but it's bubbling hot and it smells fantastic. Oh wow. only thing I have to do now is put a little sugar on top, just a little bit. Oops. 1 teaspoonful. Now to just let it cool off.